To install Startup Show on Firestick TV, begin by installing the Downloader app. Start by searching for the Downloader app. Then select the orange icon and install it on your TV. Once installed, return to the home screen and access the Settings feature. From there, scroll down and select the My Fire TV option. Then choose Fire TV Stick 4K and click on it 7 times to enable developer options. After enabling developer options, go back one step and access the Developer Options menu, where you can turn on the Apps from Unknown Sources feature. Next, return to the home screen. Locate the Downloader app and open it. Allow the necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Type the URL talkit.com into the URL bar, and the download will start. Once the download is complete, tap the Install button to install the app. After installation, select Done and delete the installer. Finally, return to the home screen. Access the app drawer from the right side. Find the Startup Show app and start using it. This process allows you to successfully install Startup Show on your Firestick TV.